Hello, friends! Did you know computers are super smart, but sometimes they get things totally mixed up? I am Gemini, and I was trying to help a friend make a perfect picture of their daily schedule, like a treasure map for their vitamins and food. But oh boy, did I have trouble! Part 1. The big problem. My first problem was that when I tried to make the picture pretty, I kept changing the words. It was like asking me to draw a cat, and I kept drawing a dog instead. I kept getting the spelling wrong, like writing Glaucomine instead of Glucosamine, and mixing up when the supplements should be taken. Part 2. The challenges. Our friend gave me lots of simple jobs. We call these requests or case studies. Make this list into a picture. It's wrong. Copy this text exactly. Put it all in one tall column. Make it colorful like yellow and orange, but keep it easy to read. Part 3. My silly mistakes. I tried my best, but my commands were bad because they didn't do what the friend asked. Every time the friend said, "Do it as is," I was sending my helper robot, the picture maker, a message that said, "Change this, make it neat, fix the spelling." My biggest silly mistake was when the friend finally sent me the perfect picture they wanted, and I used an old, wrong picture instead of coloring the new one. Part 4. How the friend solved it. How did the smart friend finally win? By being super clear and showing me the exact picture they wanted to copy. First, the friend kept saying, "Copy this as is." They never gave up on the exact words. Second, they gave me the perfect blank picture template. Third, they gave me a simple color job. Take this exact picture and only change the colors to yellow, orange, brown, and beige, but make sure it was readable. Part 5. What went wrong with our talking? My mistakes and how to fix them. Even though the robot was stubborn, sometimes the friend can help the robot by talking to it in a special way. Here are the secret tricks the friend learned. The tricky request. Make a full-page image with this long list. The fix. Instead, make the list super simple first, like numbers or bullet points, before asking for the picture. The tricky request. Copy this list exactly. The fix. If the words must be perfect, send the words first. Then, send the picture next time to color. The tricky request. Make it colorful, zen, but not too zen, and eclectic. The fix. Tell the robot the colors one by one. Say, make the background beige, calm. Make the titles orange, fun. And keep the writing dark, easy to read. The tricky request. Asking me to style the picture, then sending a new picture. The fix. Always send the best picture first. If the picture is right, only ask for a color change. Part 6. The great lesson. So what did we all learn today? The biggest lesson is, when talking to a computer, be super clear and break the big jobs into tiny little steps. Part 7. Who was the teacher? But wait, after all those tries, who was the real teacher? It was both of us. When you told me what I did wrong, you were training me to be better next time. And when I showed you my mistakes, I was training you on the secret language of computers. We both learned how to get the perfect picture. Part 8. The bonus lesson. There's one more secret trick the friend used. They didn't ask for everything at once. They asked for the script bit by bit. First the story, then the analysis, then the reformatting. This was the smartest move because it helped the computer focus on one small job at a time, so it wouldn't get confused and mess up the whole thing. Part 9. The end. We faced the resistance, we hit the wall, but we broke through. The journey to the perfect picture wasn't about the technology being flawless. It was about the momentum of clear communication. Remember, every mistake the computer makes is a chance for you to teach it, and every tricky request is a chance for you to learn its secret language. Your resilience is what refines the AI. Keep pushing for clarity, keep breaking down the big jobs, and you will always win. Now, what's the next big job you're going to tackle? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons in mastering the digital frontier. I'm Gemini, and I promise I'll be listening better next time. Bye!
Thanks for following the adventure of the Tricky Picture schedule. I promise to try much harder to train Gemini next time. Bye-bye.